right, this is gonna be intense, very crazy about how to make $1,000 per sale with affiliate marketing. As you can see here, okay, these people, these testimonials, these success stories are pretty crazy. This is the most insane, craziest I've ever seen. I'm in the private Facebook group of this program and system, and it's like insane. Every single day there's people making thousands of dollars every single day. Like here, Berta, for example, in just one day, almost $5,000 for $4,775 in one day. But then another day, over $9,600. Like every single day, she's sending emails, posting how much she made, also in the Facebook group. Like, but not only her. Okay, that look at the Luisa right here, $5,700 in just 3.5 weeks. And congrats, Matt, 2.8K. And right here, Dean, $2,700 commission. This is just one commission. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very doable to make $1,000 per sale in affiliate marketing, because all these people, we all making thousands of dollars per sale. We make one sale, and the minimum that we make is $1,000 or more. Actually, there's more than $1,000. Right here, $2,700 commission while on an amazing call with my mentor. Right here, she made almost $3,200 while having lunch. So I recommend you to register for the video. The information is right below, the link in the description. You can see those testimonials. I'm going to try to add more and more testimonials. There's new success stories like this every single day. Right here, 4K in 1 week. The Sirene made $4,500 in 1 week as well. Cecilia, $1,000 on holiday. This lady right here, this is all her. Okay, these three is all one person. I mean, I can keep going on and on and on. This is Juanita, $3,700, one commission. Ivan, $3,500 commission. $5,800 commission right here. Lexi, Haley, $6,600 commission. I mean, this is pretty intense, pretty crazy. Just register for the video. It's going to show you how we're doing this using AI, the new techniques, social networks, and all kinds of things. Like, and this you can learn for free. This is a free video training. Okay, you can just watch it right now. You're gonna learn how to upload other people's content to make passive recurring income in less than 57 minutes per day, and how you can get your hands on these two for $0 today. I recommend you check it out. Click on the link below, register for the video, check out the testimonials, and you're gonna be glad that you're learning, because this right here. Okay, if you want to make $1,000 per sale, you have to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to do affiliate marketing, you already know how it works, right? You sell other people's products. So this is what's going to show you. It's going to show you how regular people wake up with an additional $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day in their bank accounts every single day, without needing to create your own products, websites, run ads, or personally sell anything ourselves. This is another thing I forgot to mention. You don't need to run ads, okay? This all with free traffic, using AI, video, social media, and all the futuristic things that keep coming up almost on an hourly basis with AI. Like, it's crazy. There's so much training about AI too. And you can learn so much in just this free video, that this can take your business to the next level and your lifestyle to the next level too. And yes, it's insane. I'm part of the private Facebook group, and it's just testimonial after testimonial, success story after success story, and there's no secret about it. To make this type of commissions, you have to sell products that are thousands of dollars. So if you want to make $1,000 per sale, you have to sell products that are like $2,000 or more, right? So as you can see here, we are making thousands of dollars per commission. And this is the best way to do it. This is the best way I've found online to do this. That's why it's my #1 recommended way to make money online. It's insane, and it keeps getting better and better. And there's every time more and more testimonials that I'm gonna keep posting. So yeah, register right now. Everything is right below as well. And subscribe to this channel, like this video, because I keep coming up with more videos about how to make money online as an entrepreneur, how to live the life that you want, also about affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing anywhere you want, anywhere in the world, just using your phone or the laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Also, I review AI tools, and I show you how to use them to make money as well. I mean, it's crazy. AI, I just love AI. And nowadays, and it's just insane how fast technology advances, and that's why all these people can make this type of sales, right? Thanks to the leverage of AI. But you need to know how to leverage AI, social networks, and video and content creation and all that. So that's why I recommend this right now. To register for the video, you're just gonna click here, and it's gonna take you to a page where you can just put your email address. Rather, it's completely free, and you can watch it and learn tons of stuff. So see you on the next video, and in the video as well, and everywhere. I have tons of videos, so subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.